Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to have our lecture unit number 6 unitary method. Class, if you know the price of one object, can you find the price of more than one object? Okay. For calculating the value of many units from one unit we multiply. Okay. जब हमें एक वैल्यू गिवन हो और ज़्यादा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी हो तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कप केक इज़ ₹5. ओके. देखिए अब हमारे पास एक वैल्यू गिवन है. ओके. तो ज्यादा वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मल्टीप्लाई. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15 कप केक्स इज इक्वल टू 15. ओके, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15. 15 times is equal to 75 rupees answer. And for calculating the value of one unit from many units we divide. जब हमें ज़्यादा वैल्यूज़ गिवन हो और उसमें से एक की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी हो तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द कॉस्ट ऑफ 9 चॉकलेट्स इज इक्वल टू 270 रुपीज़. ओके, नाउ वी कैन फाइंड द cost of one chocolate by division. So we have to divide it by 9. 270 divided by 9 is equal to 30 rupees. Okay. So the cost of one chocolate is 30 rupees. Let's start our exercise 6.1. The cost of one chair is rupees 350. What is the cost of 6 such chairs? Class, you can see the cost of one chair is rupees 350 and now we can find out the cost of 6 such chairs. What would we do? We have to multiply, okay? Answer. We have to write the statement also. The cost of one chair is equal to 350 rupees and the cost of 6 chairs is equal to, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 6. Okay, 6 0 times is equal to 0. 6 5 times is equal to 30. We have to write 0 under the tens column and 3 carry over the hundreds column. 6 3 times is equal to 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. So the answer is 2100 rupees. Question number 2. A school bag cost rupees 250. Find the cost of 25 such school bags. Class, you can see the cost of one school bag is equal to 250. Now we can find out the cost of 25 such school bags. The cost of one school bag is equal to 250 rupees. Now the cost of 25 school bags is equal to 25. We have to multiply 250 by 25. Okay, now we have to multiply 5 0 times is equal to 0. 5 5 times is equal to 25. We have to write 5 under the tens column and 2 carry over the next. 5 2 times is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, now the second digit from 25, that is 2. 2 0 times is equal to 0. 2 5 times is equal to 10. 1 carry over the next. 2 2 times is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now add them together. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. And 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 rupees. So the answer is 6250. Okay. The cost of 25 such school bags is equal to 6250 rupees. Question number 3. Adnan earns rupees 500 a day. How much will he earn in week? Class, Adnan earn in a day 500 rupees. We have to find out how much will he earn in a week. As you know, in a week there are 7 days. Let's start. Adnan earns in one day is equal to 500 rupees. He earn in 1 week. In 1 week there are 7 days, so we have to multiply by 7. Okay, 7 times is equal to 0, 7 times is equal to 0, 5 times is equal to 35 rupees. So the answer is 3500. Okay, he will earn in a week is equal to 3500 rupees. Question number 4. The cost of one razor is rupees 5. What is the cost of 10 such razors? Okay, class, you can see the cost of one razor is rupees 5. Now we have to find out the cost of 10 such razors. Okay, we have to multiply. The cost of one razor is 5 rupees. And the cost of, we have to find the cost of 10 razors. So we have to multiply by 10. 10 5 times is equal to 50. Okay, so the answer is 50 rupees. The cost of 10 such razors is equal to 50 rupees. Question number 5. The price of a maths book is rupees 170. What is the price of 26 such books? Okay, class, you can see the price of one maths book is equal to 170 and we have to find out the price of 26 such books. Okay, the price of one maths book is equal to 170 rupees and the price of 26 such maths books is equal to 26. We have to multiply by 26. 0 times is equal to 0. 7 times is equal to 42. We have to write 2 under the tens column and 4 carry over the next. 1 times is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now second digit from 26, that is 2. 0 times is equal to 0. 7 times is equal to 14. We have to write 4 under the hundreds column and 1 carry over the next. 1 times is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now add them together. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, so the price of 26 maths books is equal to 4420 rupees. Question number 6. The cost of one pack of crayons is rupees 56. What will be the cost of 10 such pack of crayons? Class, cost of one packet of crayon is 56 rupees. The cost of one pack of crayons is equal to 56 rupees and the cost of 10 packs of crayon is equal to, we have to multiply by 10. Okay, 6 times is equal to 0. 5 times is equal to 0. The second digit from 10, that is 1. 6 times is equal to 6 and 5 times is equal to 5. Now add them together. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 and 5. So the cost of 10 pack of crayon is equal to 560 rupees. Question number 7. The yearly rent of a house is rupees 4 lakh and 20,000. If Ali wants to rent the house for only 1 month, how much rent will he pay for 1 month? Class, as I said, for calculating the value of one unit from many units, we divide. Okay? जब हमें ज़्यादा वैल्यूज़ गिवन हो और उसमें से हमने एक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी हो तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. लाइक द ईयरली रेंट ऑफ अ हाउस इज रुपीज़ 4,20,000. नाउ अली वॉन्ट्स टू रेंट द हाउस फॉर ओनली 1 month. Okay, हाउ मच रेंट विल ही पे फॉर 1 month? We have to divide. Okay. Yearly rent of a house is equal to 4 lakh and 20,000 rupees. Okay. Rent the house of 1 month. Class, we have to divide it by 12 because in 1 year there are 12 months. Okay. So we have to divide it by 12. 4 lakh and 20,000 divided by 12. You can see the division in our rough work. 12 is our divisor and 4 lakh and 20,000 is our dividend. Okay. 12 3 times is equal to 36. Now subtract 36 from 42, that is equal to 6. Okay. Bring down 0 to make 60. 12 5 times is equal to 60. Okay. Subtract 60 from 60, that is equal to 0. So the 3 zeros goes up to the quotient. So the answer is 35,000 rupees. Okay. The rent of 1 month is equal to 35,000 rupees. Question number 8. If 5 books cost rupees 750, how much money will you need to buy one book? Class, the cost of 5 books is equal to 750. Then how much money will you need to buy one book? Okay. 5 books cost is equal to 750 rupees. Cost of one book. Now we have to find out the cost of one book. Class, what would we do? We have to divide. Okay, 750 divided by 5. You can see the division in our rough work. 750 is our dividend and 5 is our divisor. 5 1 times is equal to 5. Now subtract 5 from 7, that is equal to 2. Bring down 5 to make 25. 5 times is equal to 25. Now subtract 25 from 25, that is equal to 0, and this 0 goes up to the quotient. So the answer is 150 rupees. Okay, the cost of one book is equal to 150 rupees. Answer. Number 9. If the cost of 15 kg of maize is rupees 2,505, what will be the cost of 1 kg of maize? Class, 15 kg, the cost of 15 kg maize is equal to 2,505. Now we have to find out the cost of 1 kg of maize. Cost of 15 kg of maize is equal to 2,505 rupees. Now we have to find out the cost of 1 kg of maize Class, we have to divide it by 15. 2505 divided by 15. Okay. You can see the division in our rough work. 2505 is our dividend and 15 is our divisor. 15 1 times is equal to 15. Now subtract 15 from 25, that is equal to 10. Bring down 0 to make 100. Now 15 6 times is equal to 90. Subtract 90 from 100, that is equal to 10. Bring down 5 to make 105. 15 7 times is equal to 105. Now subtract 105 from 105, that is equal to 0. So the answer is 167 rupees. Okay. The cost of 1 kg of maize is equal to 167 rupees. Answer. Hope you understand the problem solving questions. Keep it up. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.